Yesterday on the channel, I took a close look at this Lightning McQueen here, which is based on a 1/64 scale Tomica variant of the 2021 95-day Lightning McQueen special, which is sadly a fake because I don't own the official release yet from Tomica. The exact same goes for the Meta here. Now, Meta is very much different compared to the Tomica variants. If I do, show a picture, I will show a picture on the side of your screen now. He is based on the brand new Meta variant. They seem to copy and paste. He has the hood, whereas this Meta doesn't have the hood, which you can clearly see here. This is the only Meta I can think of that is gold in 1/55 scale. There's a 1/64 scale version of this, which I've just literally mentioned. The only other Meta I can think of that is in gold is this Dragstar Meta here. Sadly, I don't actually own it. I wish I did because it does look really cool, along with the black hot rod version as well. Disney Store's done some amazing stuff. I recently reviewed the metallic red, or done a quick showcase on them. Metallic red and the metallic Dinoco helicopter, piston cup button, Harley McQueen, just to name a few. But yep, here is the fake factory custom of the 1/55 scale version of 2021 95-day Meta, based upon the Lightning McQueen day, but it is a Meta, which is going to be difficult. We can see via the base, it doesn't actually say anything there. It should have a product code somewhere. It doesn't actually say that. It just says Pixar, made in China, and some other information. So taking a close look at this Meta now, basic stuff, basic teeth, basic headlight, basic missing headlight. In old gold, it looks incredibly cool. You can see the engine cover there, which looks amazing in gold. Green eyes. We've got the eyes, the 3 working headlights and the 1 working headlight, which is really difficult to see on gold paint actually. We've got the siren at the top there. Silver tow hook, which is a very nice feature. His normal tow hook is in brown bronze. On the side, we've got the 95 piston cup logo again, which looks exactly the same as the hood on Lightning McQueen here, which we can see some awesome stuff. Yellow tile on the back and blue should be on the other side. Yep, that is correct. The factory customizer's got that one correct. We've got the hazard lights logos on the back with the A113 license plate. All correct. Very nice stuff indeed. So yeah, that is the Meta. I did want to compare it to some other factory custom Metas that were revealed around the same time as this Meta, which would be the Storyteller's brand new Meta without the hood. Mattel never made this one, so another reason you should start collecting factory customs of fake cars, because sometimes you'd be amazed at what they can actually do. I mean, this Meta looks incredible. They also attempted to make an Ivan Meta, but, without the hood. It looks incredible. I did review this one as well in the past on a different review station. You can see the license plate there of Ivan. Again, that is also a fake. I did want to compare them to an official Thailand release of Meta so you can see the differences. We can see right here, this is the Meta with the working tow hook. Maybe in the future, all the fake factory customs Meta will have this tow hook feature. That'll be a bonus in a plus. That'll be a nice feature. There is the 2022 version that they decided to make as a factory custom as well, which I will be reviewing in the channel in just a few days time, so I don't want to spoil it too much. But this is the 2022 Cherry Blossom special for the 95-day McQueen in September. You can see the differences in these two. They just look outstanding. And again, this one is also a fake, which you can see here by the base, literally a copy and paste of this base to this base. I'll show that one more in-depth review, talking about it in a few days time. They also did the McQueen from 2022 as well in Cherry Blossom. So now that I have reviewed this Meta, there is not too much to talk about this Meta compared to the McQueen. It's a shame they didn't do the Mac. That would have been immaculate. Get it? Mac and Mac. Anyways, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell notification button down below so you don't miss out on any more reviews daily on Disney Pixar Cars diecasts and other stuff, shorts as well. Information about diecasts. Then click the subscribe button down below. The next video. Peace, everybody.